My name's Connor McCutcheon. I'm from Big Bear Lake, California. Qualified at Murrieta. When I got the call, they explain what it's about, and then they basically just ask you if you're interested. Obviously, you're interested because that's why you did the race. So I was very excited to say yes. This program's introduced me what it's like to be a pro. Before, I've just been racing by myself and with a smaller club team. And now I've had the opportunity to ride with a couple other really good guys and a good coach. Great opportunity to have someone preparing you ahead of time for the race. Finished my qualifying race. I didn't know right away that I'd qualified. There were several spots ahead of me, and so I did not know until I got that phone call. That was very exciting to get that call.